into engingayisho-ke nje ngalo mbuzo wakho ukuthi because it shows that you listen attentively every time I'm articulating, you are tracking. So even now I'm compelled and fascinated to articulate this information so diligently. So please listen attentively. So kunezinto engafika ngomuntu ngisho ngafa yena they will always be there and they've been there perpetuity. Okuyini the Atman, that is the divine part, the Buddhi, that is the spiritual part, and then the Manas, that is the intellectual part. Okuyisoli ke leyo ke. Ngithi ayizwa lonto. So yini isoli? Isoli is a consciousness in experience. It is the experience of the consciousness that is having ama aspects afana nokuthi thoughts, emotions and actions. Yabo? That is the experience. So uma ngabe kwakhiwa lento ihardware le i-consciousness no soul yonke lento ekade ngiyibala, it is the operating system. So i-hardware yakhiwa for the first 6 months kumuntu, and then the last trimester, the last 3 months kuzongena i-software now. But before I go on, let me explain something ngalesi sikhathi. Ubingelelo changes akasha uthi ngenzana noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani, ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ucabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona. Into enza ukuthi ngithi lo mbuzo wakho correct ngempela, ngoba uma ubheka kuya siyasithi into noma siyasithi soul, ngoba isoul yona ayifi. So yona kuyona kune information ethile about the previous life and all of those things. Isoul ka asithi isoul ya activator ifana nama login details, ya activate isoul and ya guide ukuthi wena uloge in. Kusho ukuthi ngamanye amazwi ukhumbula izinto ezikhona la on a cellular level. Isoul ya guide ayikwenza ukuthi I impose isoul. Isoul ya activator yona ukuthi iguide wena ukuthi ukhumbule, ngoba ukukhumbula kwenzeka it is an experience. Ukukhumbula is an experience, yabo. Ake ngibe kanje futhi lento, yabona kuma cells akho on a cellular level. Ama cells akho akhiwa i-DNA. DNA iyona responsible ukuthi kuze kwakheka ama cells akho. DNA iyona responsible. And le DNA inama nucleobase. Lama nucleobase abo uracil, adenine, guanine, tyrosine, cytosine, yonke lonto le. Lonto ikhona la kwi-vacuum. Ikhona la kwi-vacuum lento. Kulama 4 quarters of heavens esinawo thina ka human design, ikhona lapho lonto. Njengoba lama nucleobase ekhona la kuma heavens, kusho ukuthi anayo yonke information. Anayo yonke information ye universe. Should information about the universe is already in your cell. Because enyakatho kune quarter of mutation eno adenine, eningizimu kune quarter of civilization ino uracil, ekuthi ngapha eMpumalanga kukhona i-quarter of initiation ino cytosine, bese uthi ngala entshonalanga kune quarter of duality ino guanine, yabo. So lezo zinto njengoba zitholakala in heavens nje, asibhekeni ukuthi ke kushuthi vele, ngoba that is the heavens are having the cosmic library. Kunezinto esezenzekile, kunezinto ezenzekalayo, kunezinto ezisazokwenzeka zikhona la on your cellular level. Lezo zinto lezo, because on your cellular level kunalama nucleobase. Lama nucleobase they are coming from heavens, and ithi is process yokuthi le isuke from heavens izifike la kwena. I process ithi kwi-core ye-earth kukhona ama-crystals ekuthiwa ama-design crystals that are responsible for your body. Ahleli nalo ama-design crystals ahleli magnetic monopole. I-magnetic monopole kuyiyona ewu-driver. Yes, iyona ewu-driver, i-magnetic monopole. It's a pole that is here to drive your life to the correct trajectory, to navigate with correct geometry of this life. A magnetic monopole that knows. That is why they say follow your heart. So njengoba i-magnetic monopole ihleli ne-design crystals, and ama-design crystals are the one that are responsible to create your body. Kusho ukuthi umzimba wakho iwona owazi kangcono, onayo yonke information yokuthi what to do, when and how. Yabo? Bese lonto iyanyuka iyo-reporta kuphi? Iyo-reporta kwi-soul. Or i-consciousness. Yona i-consciousness kunento ekuthiwa ama-consciousness crystals. Ama-consciousness crystals, they are here. They are just here. They are just here nje emoyeni nje. Yabo? Amanye abuyelile la kumele ukuthi abuyele khona, amanye abuyelile, amanye aphenduka abe emoya emibi and all of those things. Ama-consciousness crystals uma ngabe ingekho i-vehicle siyakhiwe, le vehicle yakhiwe le enale information engiyishoyo nge-cosmos, le vehicle yakhiwa to the point ukuthi kuyaziwa ukuthi kuzongena hlobo luni le-consciousness ekumele i-experience yiphi impilo. So into eyazi kangcono ilo mzimba lo, ngoba wona indlela odesignwe ngayo kuyazi ukuthi uzohosta yiphi i-consciousness ekumele experience ini. Hence, if I am reading the charts, I say follow your strategy and authority that is within your body. Your body knows better, not the mind. The mind is same as the soul that I'm talking about. Yabo? And it is the passenger. It's supposed to be the passenger because the driver is here. The driver is here. That is to drive your life. This one is to be the passenger and collect information. Umsebenzi wayo nje collect information le experience. Mase kuthiwa into ibi soul on a soul level. Lonto kuze kube ukuthi on a soul level isuke lonto leyo isivuka. I-soul soze kusebenzisana i-hardware ne-software. Okuyi-hardware yile. Yabo? I-hardware kuyile. Into isuke seyivuka la kuwe emzimbeni. Ngenxa ukuthi ku precise kuyazi bekwazi vele lento ine precision fana nokuthi nje ngeke uthathe i-operating system yenye into uyoyifaka kwenye i-hardware engeke izwazi ukuyihosta, ngeke izisebenze lonto leyo. So manje nale soul le isuke i-compatible with this hardware. So into makuthiwa ivuka on a soul level isuke ivuke lonto kwi-hardware esebenzisana ne-software. Yabo? Ziyasebenzisana. That is why kukhona into ethi izwe lithi mina ngikubaba ubaba ukimi. Lezi zinto zi-indivisible uma usaphila kanje la. And mase uhambile sikhuluma esinye isitori esihlukile uma ungasekho la esimeni senyama. Isuke isoul lapho isi-evolvile yafunda ukuthile lokho ekufundile obekade kuvuka obekade kuvuka la. Ngoba la kunema-cells, lama-cells akhiwa yilama nucleobase aqhamuka kwi-DNA lento kade ngiyichaza lonto esuka kuphi esuka kwi-cosmos. And the process ithini? Ithi process ama-design crystals iwona aphulapha le information bese izongena la kuwena okwakho kuyikhumbula ihambe yo reporta kwi-soul bese uya-evolve. Ayizwa indaba?